your heart. Keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out. You stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall.
Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is KgomotsoRamano. For those of you who don't know me, if you're new here, hi or welcome. Do click that subscribe button down below to become a part of this family. And if you're returning, thank you so much for your continuous support. I really do appreciate it. As you might tell by the title of today's video, we will be installing this beautiful body wave wig. This video has been sponsored by Wiggins Hair. They were kind enough to send me this beautiful unit to try out for you guys. It is HD lace. That's why it has melted so perfectly into my scalp. Really love the quality of this wig. It is a body wave, in case I didn't mention, and it is in 22 inches. I literally didn't do anything to this wig. It comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and just ready for you to put on and go. I love this wig. I'm just so impressed at how flawless this wig looks. I'm super impressed. And I also love the texture of this hair. It is super soft, super silky. It is smooth, and the body wave is body waving. It's literally so perfect, you guys. It does not shed. It does not tangle. This is the brush that I was using and the comb that I was using. As you can see, there's literally nothing on the comb. Where is the brush? So I can show you. There is literally maybe a thread, maybe one strand or two, but like I wouldn't consider this like shedding. I would say it's because I did cut off the ear tabs, but otherwise I would just say there is no tangling or shedding of this wig. So if you'd like to see how I got this wig to look like this, do keep on watching. All the hair details as well as all the specifications and any discount codes will be linked in the description box below, so do check that out. And without further ado, let us get into this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So first things first, the hair comes in this beautiful red satin bag that you can later store your wigs in. And on the inside, we've got a wig cap, some lashes, an edges brush, and of course a melting band. The wig comes nicely packaged when it comes to you in this little plastic bag and a net over it. And this is what it looks like when you first receive it. It has been pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and you definitely don't need to do anything. This is a body wave wig, and these waves, you guys, I am in love. They are so beautiful and bouncy. Also, how flawless is this HD lace? It's also got a band on the inside to adjust it to your liking, and I just put this on my head, and the process from here on is very self-explanatory. So I'm just measuring this wig and I'm just admiring how it melts even before I've done anything, and I'm just wiping off any excess makeup on here with some alcohol just so my wig sits nicely and doesn't lift. And I'm also just applying my glamour spray. I am not using glue for this particular install, but you can go ahead and use glue. I found this new method of using a makeup brush and it works amazing. You want to make sure that your glue, or rather spray, is tacky before you actually put on your wig, just to avoid it being and looking funny. You want it to melt as seamlessly and as flawlessly as possible. So yeah, you guys can just watch me while I do this. I'm gonna put on some music over this while you guys watch.
Don't knock it before you try being on your own side for once, for once. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it before you try being on your own side for once, for once. But sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall, sometimes you fall, sometimes you fall, sometimes you fall. Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out.
You guys, I just needed to come on in here quickly. Can you guys see that melt? It is so flawless, but now the trick lies in how you're going to cut your lace. I prefer to work in sections, so on here I chose to cut my lace into 3, and the important part of this is cutting your lace in a zigzag motion. This just makes it flawless when it comes to melting. I know it's a wig, but it doesn't mean that everyone is supposed to see it from afar that it is actually a wig. So this is where I start cutting in a zigzag motion. You can just watch. I think this also just explains itself. I don't really have to say much. You guys can watch and learn.
Right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try.
It's very important to brush everything back. You don't want little hairs sitting on the front because they can just spoil the whole install. And this is me measuring where I'm actually going to cut my ear tabs. Nothing is cute when your lace is lying on top of your ears. I hate it so much and it's so uncomfortable. So please do try and cut off your ear tabs. I know it can become scary to do that, but like once you start doing it, there's no going back. And it looks difficult from afar, but like it's quite easy. Just cut. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. I'm scared of saying this to you guys, but like, yeah, just try and cut because you'll never really know how to do it unless you try.
Being on your own side for once, for once. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once, for once. But sometimes you fall, sometimes you fall, sometimes you fall.
Another thing, you guys, once I started to melt my lace with the stocking, I literally never went back because I find that with a melting band, if like it needs you to be perfect in the timing of when your lace is dry, like the glue on the lace is dry or not. Otherwise, it's gonna come back with your lace, with your melting band, sorry, it's gonna literally come off with your melting band. So with the stocking, it literally leaves everything in place and it just looks so flawless when it's done. Can you see that? With a melting band, I feel like some of the parts would have lifted with the melting band. So this is why I prefer a stocking. And I think we're pretty much done. I'm just going to cut these little hairs a bit shorter just so they look more natural. And yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you once again to Wiggins Hair for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you again in another one. Bye my loves.
Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Keep it keep it